Perspective is different whenever money is involved. Rookie mistakes, something we cannot afford. Rocking up with hoodies in front of the board. The feet are in the street, but the money is abroad. Devil is the designer, the architect is from God. If the vision is skewed, the outcome will be flawed. Process is more appealing, you can keep the applaud. Even though I like to shine like the eye that sees it all. Every kid has a dream, getting money is the bonus. I hope we can reach every blessing that's upon us, so we can rest our head from always looking above us and thank our ancestors, those that were below us. The perfect balance of life. Everything has its own time. The perfect balance of life. Everything has its own time. Yeah.